15 English phrases every truck driver must know. If you drive a truck in America and English is hard, these 15 phrases will save your job. Save this video now. Emergency situations. Phrase 1. I need help. My truck broke down. Phrase 2. Where is the nearest repair shop? Phrase 3. I had an accident. Nobody is hurt. Say this first to 911. Phrase 4. Send police to my location. Phrase 5. I need a tow truck. Truck stop. Everyday situations. Phrase 6. Where's the bathroom? Phrase 7. Can I park here overnight? Always ask. Never assume. Phrase 8. Fill it up with diesel, please. Phrase 9. Pump number. Say your pump number when paying inside. Phrase 10. Do you have showers? Phrase 11. I'm waiting for a load. At the warehouse. Loading and unloading. Phrase 12. I have a delivery for. Phrase 13. Which dock should I go to? Very important. Don't guess. Phrase 14. How long is the wait? Phrase 15. Please sign here. Now, the most important phrase. My English is not perfect. Can you help me understand? This is the most powerful phrase you can learn. People want to help. They will speak slower. They will be patient. You show respect. Americans respect hardworking truck drivers. When you ask for help with respect, they will always help you. How to practice. 1. Listen daily while driving. 2. Say phrases out loud in your truck. 3. Use one new phrase each day. 4. Save this video. You will need it. You are a professional driver. You move America. You feed America. Don't let language stop you. Every driver struggled at first. You will improve every single day. Share this video with every driver in your trucking group. Save this video. Comment which country you're from below. Stay safe, driver. See you on the road.